And this is what you get for making your intro and your outro at the same exact time. Welcome to me working on my 2007 4Runner. It's a 4.7 liter V8. This is a Granatelli exhaust cutout install video. I say it wrong throughout the entire video, and I apologize. I'm not going to go back and edit it and do anything weird for it. I again apologize. This is the Granatelli 2.5 inch exhaust cutout with the band clamps. We'll get into it here shortly. Appreciate it. Have a good one. I'm really bad about this, guys, and I super apologize. This is the Granatelli 2.5 inch exhaust cutout. Really explanation video. I didn't have time to actually get video while I was doing the install. So we'll go through it the easy way. The first thing I needed to do was install the switch and the wires, because cutting out the pipe is not that hard. Running the wires and everything, probably the most extensive part of the job, really. And we'll get to some of that here in just a moment. Sorry about that. So I drilled out the switch. It's one of the smart box switches. I tapped into a tap I'd already had for something else. They give you this thin ass little wire right here. Comes with a fuse. Run your ground to a ground. Everything comes to a switch. And back up in there is the smart box, they call it. Basically, one flip of the switch and it's on, one flip of the switch and it's off. Up is on, down is off. I made it simple for myself. And there is a quick connect power cable that comes with it. You get about 15 feet. And depending on your install and where you're putting it, depends on how much wire you need, obviously. I probably have about 5 feet of it curled up under my carpet over here. So we'll go across to that side. This is in a 2007 4.7 liter V8 4Runner. I doubt you can see it way down there. I'll see if I can zoom in on it. Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay, I fed it up through the AC drain tube line. It's easy, you just pop the grommet out and pop it back in there. I'll have to edit that part out. Alright, back to the game. And here she is. Now, everything is cool. Everything is mounted. It leaks like a sieve. The clamps, I guess the way Toyota made them, I don't know. Back to what I was saying. The clamps clamp down great on the Y pipe itself. But I'm guessing Toyota, in their infinite wisdom, I don't know, I guess they cut it out. I don't know what they did. It's not exactly 2.5 inches. You see that gap right there? It is leaking like a sieve. It is not holding air in any way, shape, or form. So ultimately, the band clamps are a big fail. Like I said, it is on here, it is working, but I do have major exhaust leaks coming out of both sides. I do hear it. There is no rattle, but it sounds amazing, guys. I can't wait to have it welded in. I'm going to take it to a muffler shop tomorrow or Monday and get it welded in. But yeah, it's open right now. It's pretty awesome sounding with it open. Back to the wiring. Let's see if I can scoot up in here without burning myself. Okay, so there's the solenoid. I had to turn it this way because that way it was going to interfere and get very, very close to the drive shaft. So I didn't want to do that. On 4Runners, make this real clear for you. On 4Runners right here, see where all this metal is? Yeah, there's a heat shield right here that you're gonna have to take off. I just cut it off, obviously, with a Sawzall. I didn't do a pretty job with it, but whatever. It's the muffler. I'm not really that worried about it. But back to the wiring. I gave a little slack in there. I went ahead and wound it up. I hadn't even cut the zip ties yet. That's pretty bad. So the quick connect is actually right here. I need to go ahead and hit the heat shrink, but it's just a simple red and black prong connector, and they send you with some supplied heat shrink, and you just hit the heat shrink. But I need to get it welded, so they may need to move it, so I'm going to wait. I just kind of wedged it right there in between the frame and the body. And I kind of fed it through across over to here. This is a straight queen, guys. It doesn't go off-road, it's two-wheel drive. And I ran it down this channel right here, and I zip tied it again right here. And I wanted this kind of, I wanted it kind of taut, but not, you know, not too bad. Once again, this street queen, not going off-road. I'm not worried about this getting snagged. And I just ran it along the top of the frame over there. I guess I could have done a better job of running it down the track, but prior planning prevents piss poor performance, guys. So it got ran the way it got ran. So I will do a follow-up video. I give I give the Granatelli exhaust cutout kit, I give it a 9 out of 10, simply because the clamps didn't work. But you know, they're going for 2.5 inches, and who knows, it may be 2 3/8. Who knows really. But yeah, I tucked it right in here behind the muffler. I kind of kicked it out a little bit towards the side of the truck. I just want to pull up, hit the button, let the noise out, and it sounds awesome, guys. So I'll get back to you here in a second, and we'll crank it up. Granatelli exhaust cutout. This is on. Granatelli exhaust sound inside the vehicle is amazing. Just gonna go ahead and let you know now. It's awesome. Just listen. Amazing. And we'll go back to off. Like my stock 4Runner all over again, guys. Coolest thing ever. I love it. Granatelli exhaust 1 week in. Band clamps did not work at all. Not Granatelli's fault. I don't think the pipe was actually 2.5 inches. Period. I think it was smaller than that. So I had to take it to the local muffler shop. Dude was real cool. It's $40, man. Just weld it in real quick. Actually looks pretty good and sounds a lot better. So I'm gonna put in both videos. Like I said, this is just an in review. It's kick-ass. I'm not even gonna lie to you about it. It's awesome. You can be loud when you want to. Yeah, you can be quiet when you want to. I have literally a factory exhaust and the cutout added. It sounds amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little short video, and we'll do a 2 week or a week out video, week and a half out video, and let you hear what it sounds like now with it actually welded in properly and, you know, not leaking like a sieve.